Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time here, my name is Rethabile, but I'm known as Rethabz. So in today's video guys, we are going to create a simple eyeshadow look. This is just basically for my babes who are unable to apply eyeshadows. So this is just a simple way of applying your eyeshadow. So the focus is only going to be on the eyes for today's video. So I just hope that you are going to enjoy creating this eye look with me. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. So let's get straight into this tutorial.
Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I want to wake up with you.
Okay my loves, since well this is a very simple eyeshadow tutorial, so we are just going to use just two shades, and again our focus is only going to be on the eyes. So I'm not going to show you any product that I have applied on my face, so we are just going to focus on the eyes only. So the first thing that you have to do is to prime your eyelids. So to prime your eyelids, you can either use a concealer or an eyeshadow primer. So I am going to use this LA Girl Pro Primer. Is an eyeshadow primer to prime my lids.
I want to wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I want to wake up with you.
So you just have to make sure that you blend the eyeshadow primer with the concealer that you have applied to define your eyebrows. I love this eyeshadow primer because it is very light compared to my skin tone. So when you apply a light eyeshadow primer, it helps the color of your eyeshadow to pop even more. So it is very important to set your eyeshadow primer before it starts creasing. Like when it creases, you will see with the harsh lines on your eyelids. That's when you know that it is creasing. So to avoid such, you have to make sure that before you set, you blend the eyeshadow primer first, then you set your eyelid. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to set my eyelid. So my advice is to set your eyeshadow base before applying any eyeshadow on your eyelid. That way you avoid creasing during the day. So I'm going to set my eyebrows as well. So I am setting my eyeshadow primer using the Signature Cosmetics translucent powder. You can use a setting powder or you can use just a neutral eyeshadow for this step. So the first shade that we are going to use is this brown shade from the Moselakgomo Cosmetics. So and I am going to use this small, it's not that small, but it's a little bit smaller than the ones that I have, fluffy brush to apply this shade. So what I am going to do, I am going to make sure that I tap just for the product to stay on one place. I'm not going to drag the product. So as you can see, I am focusing on the outer V only, since well this is the area that we mostly want it to be darker. So I am going to use this clean blending brush. It's a bigger blending brush compared to the one that I have used to apply my brown shade. So what I am going to use, I'm going to blend out that brown shade. So I am going to use a flat brush to dip into this shade. I know that on the camera it looks like it is white, but it is nude. So I'm just going to apply it on the inner part of my eyelid. So now I'm just using this small blending brush to blend the two shades together. Okay, my loves, so now we are moving to an eyeliner, and the eyeliner that I am going to use for today's look is the Signature Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. So I am going to do a winged liner. So now I am going to apply these two eyeliners on my waterline. Is the liquid eyeliner as well as this eyeliner. I really do love to apply both of them, and afterwards I'm going to put on my lashes, then mascara. Okay, my loves, this is the end of this tutorial, and I am loving the look, guys. Like, the eye look, it's so amazing. It's simple, just two shadows. Just don't complicate yourself if you are not familiar with applying many shades. So this is just the simplest way of applying your eyeshadow, and you are good to go. So I am loving the whole look, the lips and everything. So, but for today's video, the focus was only on the eyes. That is why I did not show you the whole footage whereby I was applying the foundations and the lips and whatsoever. So, but I just hope you have enjoyed creating this amazing look with me. If you are not getting it right, just keep on practicing, babes, and you will get it right. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Tell me what you think of this amazing look. And this is just the end of our video. I will see you on my next one very soon. Goodbye.